What's up guys, today I'm going to put you through a 15-minute TRX workout. It's going to be 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's get started. All right, the first workout we're going to do is the TRX rows. So you're going to lay back just like this and pull just like this. Do it nice and slow so you don't tire yourself out right in the beginning of the workout. Keeping those elbows tucked nice and close to your sides. You don't want to be winging your elbows out. All right, the next exercise is going to be chest presses or TRX push-ups. All right, and go. Make sure you're breathing. 10 seconds. Perfect. The next exercise is going to be TRX squats. You're going to hold on to the TRX straps. You're leading with those hips, coming up just like this. Leading with those hips, coming up like this. All right, the next exercise is TRX lunges. All right, just alternating back and forth just like this, stepping backwards. Perfect. All right, the next exercise is TRX curls. So what you're going to do is lay back like this. Hands coming up like this towards your face. Making sure you're keeping those elbows as high as possible. You don't want to have them down here. You want them up high like this. Perfect. Next exercise is going to be TRX tricep extensions. So it's like a skull crusher. All right, just like this, pushing away. Keeping those elbows nice and high.
Girl, where did you come from? Never seen a girl move quite like you. Girl, where are you going? Is there room for me and you? I'll speak so softly. I need your body on top of me. Come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak.
About 10 seconds.
I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything you need.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah. I wanna feel that body move.
All right, and the last exercise on this rotation is TRX rear delt flies. You lay back like this, opening up, squeeze in between those shoulder blades, keeping the elbows slightly bent, but don't lead with the hands. So you don't want to be doing any of this at all. You want everything to be in the shoulders and between the shoulder blades.
Come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, back to the top one more time through. So we're starting off with the TRX rows.
The cake got me feeling in the worst way. I don't know, girl, what I'm supposed to do yet. Playing it cool, but wanna buy a
Just like this.
way with that body. Looking like a hottie. Girl, I need that body on me. Fold you like some origami. You got me. I'm so hooked on you, baby. You got me feeling all different. You got me feeling on your body while you're cooking in the kitchen. I'll fill that cup up, got pina coladas on deck. Your lips are as sweet as the sweetest can get. Girl, I'm a little bit obsessed. Girl, come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything.
Perfect. All right. Next exercise, TRX push-ups. All right, go. Make sure you keep that stomach tight, like a plank.
Yeah, my girl from Argentina, I knew right when I seen her. I love this girl forever, I knew right then that I needed her.
Perfect. All right, guys, to those TRX squats.
I don't gotta wait and see, I got a sense of urgency. I got a perfect girl with me, gonna take a trip to Buenos Aires. Where you going? I'll be going there, baby. Yeah,
All right, go.
I know it too, baby.
We're keeping those hips back, making sure the lower back stays straight.
Yeah, my girl from Argentina, I knew right when I seen her. I love this girl forever, I knew right then that I needed her. Antonella, I must be her Messi. Bombilla, I must be her mate. Empanadas, I wanna have sons and daughters with you. In Mendoza, I told you, I'm sticking to you like glue. Fine wine,
All right, guys. Up next is TRX lunges.
She love to kiss my neck, and she tell me that she love it when I sing, sing, sing. I sing to you, girl, whenever you want. I'll give to you, girl, whatever I got. I live for this shit, believe it or not. My love for you, girl, never will stop. I'll bleed for you, white and light blue. I breathe for you, yeah, my need for you is true. We've been all my life, getting a need for you. Wanna make you my wife. Yeah, my girl from Argentina. I knew right when I seen her. I love this girl forever. I knew right then that I needed her. Annabella, I must be her Messi. My Bombilla, I must be her Mate.
Up next is the TRX bicep curls.
Got the multicolored diamonds, yeah, they shine just like a rainbow. If you ain't shining, bro, you get what you paid for. Rock so heavy, if you hold them, then it's painful. Look, no, never, I ain't looking at the label. No price tag, finna bust out my bag. I'ma lay out a stack, that's the truth, no fake. I don't fuss about it, money tall like mountains. Sunny days, no clouds, I searched within and found me. I've been up so happy, I've been spending cash and it's got me laughing. Oh, I don't mean to be sappy, but girl, you got me crying cause I be so happy. Girl, the love we have, it saved me. Got me feeling so happy lately. Got me all in my bag, I'm spending. Stacking cash, rubber bands, never ending. We spend it, we make it right back. Keep the cash in my hand,
All right, up
Venmo
next,
going crazy.
TRX
We be spending
tricep
it, it's like we get
extension.
shit for free. No, baby, but I guess
Almost
it's
done, guys. 2 more exercises.
Little Billy living lavish, Balenciaga tags, yeah, I'm into high
Go ahead.
Baby, what you want? Yeah, I'm spending like a savage. Yeah, I'm spending, I don't lack it. Buy a castle, I like luxury. Yeah, this life's so fun. Crying with a smile, stacking money till I'm done. Baby, I want kids in a fortress. Ooh, baby, stacking money, make a fortune. Damn, baby, hey, you drop dead gorgeous. Table started, una no noche. You hottie, that body. I want you on top of me. You got me, I want you to know that I need you forever. Girl, I never wanna let you go. No, never. Girl, love's worth moving solid gold. Ooh, baby,
5 seconds left, guys.
dreaming about all the things I wanna do. Baby, you got me cheesing.
All right, guys.
Go from ear
The
to
last
ear,
exercise is going to be the rear delt flies.
if you ain't shining, bro, you get what you paid for. Rock so heavy, if you hold them, then it's painful. Look, no, never, I ain't looking at the label. No price tag, finna bust out my bag. I'ma lay out a stack, it's the truth, no fake. I don't fuss about it, money tall like mountains. Sunny days, no clouds, I searched within and found me. I've been up so happy, I've been spending cash and it's got me laughing. Oh, I don't mean to be sappy, but girl, you got me crying cause I be so happy. Girl, the love we have, it saved me. Got me feeling so happy lately. Got me all in my bag, I'm spending. Stacking cash, rubber bands, never ending.
Perfect. Awesome job, guys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. You did great. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment what you want me to do next, and subscribe. Thanks.